my beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be not reviewing, but just taking a look at the P.Louise bases, y'all. Like, I know y'all saw the unboxing just now. I just want to show y'all like the actual product on my face because I know I'm reviewing it and I'm like, yo, it's good. But do I know it's good? You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, I have 10 bases plus paints. I have 10 paints and 10, I said 10, and 5 cosmetic bases for your eyeshadow. And today, guys, in this look, I definitely use one of them. So let me tell y'all what I use right now, because as y'all can see, we have all of these bases and we about to do these looks. I literally used I Love You More. This is the color that I use, yep. And it's like a pinkish kind of nudish shade. And it actually turned purple because of the pink and this shade and the black, it turned pink. So yeah, I have a whole bunch of paints, you guys. I'm so excited for this. I wish I could swatch it for y'all so y'all can see the colors. This set is the paint set, I think. Yeah, this is the paint sets. And it comes in 10 shades. I'm trying to show all you guys all of it. And like I say, y'all, this is really like, I love them because I had her first. This is my first baby right here. And she's really giving like, I had to get another one. So I went and ordered, y'all. Y'all know my money is very, but I had to get P.Louise, y'all. I had to. I can't stop shopping. So I got all of these pretty bases, and it gives you like the sharpest cut crease in this world, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like the sharpest cut crease ever, y'all. It gives you that, you know, and that's why I invested in this, because I didn't buy, this is an investment, you guys. You know what I'm saying? All these little babies right here are gonna be my best friends. I love them so much already. I have so much colors. I'm glad I got like the whole set instead of just getting a couple, because baby, I'm gonna just come back and buy more. You know what I'm saying? So it was on sale for $68. So everything, okay, so this company is based in the UK. Her name is Paige. I feel like she's so awesome. Like I watched her I didn't watch it, well, I saw it on Instagram, her whole journey of, you know, making her own cosmetic line. And I feel like she's pretty dope as, you know, so I had to support her, and not only support her because of that, the products is really like outstanding. So, and it's gonna last me a long time. I just want to get it out the way, you know, get everything that I need and kind of get ready for Christmas, because you know, once it's Christmas time, all this money goes to these kids, you know what I'm saying? Because they need a whole bunch of stuff, they want a whole bunch of stuff. And then, as y'all could saw in the first clip, we got all of these bases here as well. So we just got an awesome deal for around $100, you know. Excuse me. So I just want to give y'all that little unboxing that I had. I literally created this look with this P.Louise, right? And I used the Bright palette from Beauty Bay. So yeah, this is how I created this look. And then I got the glitters, of course, from Amazon. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. A ponytail tutorial is going to be coming real soon, and this makeup look, y'all know it's coming out. So stay tuned for that, and I thank you so much. If it's any other looks y'all want me to do, please comment them below. I'm going to be leaving my Instagram, my TikTok, over here somewhere, so you can like hit me up and send me pictures of what kind of look y'all want me to do, because sometimes I just be stuck and I don't know what look I want to do, you know what I'm saying? So thank you for reviewing this P.Louise base with me, because I really love it and I really want to put y'all on, so when y'all see me cutting these creases, y'all know what I use. And it's like literally the best. Thick is a thick consistency, like it's very thick, you know what I'm saying? So that precision with the cut crease is gonna be very perfect, you know what I'm saying, because the base is so thick and it's not watery. Thank you guys so much, China Beauties and gang, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for my ponytail tutorial that should be coming out in no time. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, because you know we going up, y'all. I love y'all. Like,